Right here, I've got something that's literally one of the coolest things ever. Believe it or not, this is one of the most popular car across the world. It is the Toyota Corolla Sedan. Now, not only is it the most popular vehicle in the world, or should I say one of the most popular in the world, it's also one of the most reputed in its segment. It has been around for many decades. It also symbolizes Toyota's consistency in this segment. Now watch till the end, because we are going to be covering the exterior, the interior, the engine, and the key features. Hello and welcome to Transautomobile, your specialist in exporting brand new vehicles to the continent of Africa and the rest of the world. So let's start by talking about the exterior of this gorgeous Toyota Corolla Sedan. If there's one thing I find very interesting about the front, would be how simple this area is. Believe it or not, the air vents are beneath. I like the way you have the body paint over here and the piano black that surrounds the badge. And one thing to note about the side is the aerodynamic design. Not only are the rear lights stylish, but you also get this touch of chrome right beneath. It looks good from a distance. Gorgeous looking alloys. Now for the Toyota Corolla Sedan, this is where the magic lies. This is cool for the city and for the family. Now just imagine pulling up to your business meeting or to your family gathering. Now first thing to note, the visibility outside is impeccable. It's amazing. The steering wheel is leather wrapped, multifunctional. You even get cruise control and detailed media controls. This is awesome. And it doesn't stop there. The infotainment system is cool. It's positioned in such a way that there's no way you can be distracted when using it. So let's say I'm using the infotainment system and I'm looking at the road ahead at the same time. This is great. There's no distraction, because most conventional cars tend to have the screen over there, which can be distracting. And then over here, detailed climate control, and it's a dual zone. And then I just love the squidgy material you get in front of the front seat passenger. This is great. And then with a touch of piano black over here next to the automatic transmission. And onto the door, you also get this squidgy fabric. This is cool. And at the same time, you should consider this Toyota Corolla quite awesome, because it's not many car manufacturers actually do this to their doors. Now over to the rear seat, it gets even better. First of all, the ease of access, the ease of entrance, it is great. And the seat is like a sofa. I just sat on it and it feels just like home. And then at the same time, over here I get this nice armrest with two cup holders. So it's like a Maybach in disguise. This is how cool my experience is so far. And I have a lot of leg room, a lot of knee room, and just behind the driver's seat and the front seat passenger, you get nice pockets over here. This is quite rare. You'd find a rear seat this well equipped. And now it is time to check out the boot space of the Toyota Corolla Sedan. There is a saying, never judge a book by its cover, and this holds true for this Toyota Corolla Sedan, because from the exterior it looks humble, it doesn't look very big, but then as you look at the boot space, it is massive. Now right over here we have a 1.6 four-cylinder petrol engine that produces 121 horsepower. This is quite powerful for this cute little car, and I'll tell you why. This Toyota Corolla Sedan is paired with an automatic transmission, so therefore the acceleration should be smooth and rather fast. And at the same time, you won't really be consuming much fuel because, as I mentioned earlier, the aerodynamic design. And now it is time to cover the key features of the Toyota Corolla Sedan. You see this line right over here next to the wing mirror, and these two lines over here. Toyota adds this to improve the aerodynamics. Did you all know that there's a latch right over here to open the boot door? Good visibility from the driver's seat. You also get a rear view parking camera. In the comment section below, share us your thoughts of the Toyota Corolla Sedan. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't just watch. Contact us for a personalized quote on any type of vehicle. Our sales team is dedicated every day to upholding our motto. Our mission, your satisfaction.